Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. Khandagiri police have seized cash amounting to Rs 30 lakhs stashed in a gunny bag and have detained the youth on whose possession the currency was found. Police are questioning the youth as the incident comes close on the heels of the dacoity in Cuttack in which over Rs 12 crore were looted from a financial services company Thursday. Naturally, the police are suspicious as to how the youth was in possession of such huge amount of liquid cash. An employee of Odisha State Warehousing Corporation OSWC died here Thursday under mysterious circumstances. The deceased Prasant Kumar Rath was a resident of Barampur. Rath, a driver of the managing director of the corporation, was staying at E7 by 1 at Unit 8 area under Nayapalli police limits here, police said. Bhubaneswar city reported 42 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally in the city to 30,372. This information was given by the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation BMC in a tweet Friday. Among the fresh cases detected, 9 were reported from quarantine centers, while 33 contracted the virus locally. In a separate tweet, BMC said that 56 patients were discharged Friday from COVID-19 hospitals here. Police recovered a woman's decomposed body from a brick kiln at Baunsanali village of Manchgad Panchayat under Patna police limits in Keonjhar district Friday. The deceased was identified as Pramila Munda, aged about 40, of Baunsanali village. The brick kiln is owned by one Jena Munda, a resident of the same village. IPS S. Sushri of Kerala Thursday took charge as the SDPO of Kesinga subdivision in Kalahandi district. S. Sushri is an IPS officer from 2018 batch. Police officers of Biswanathpur, Lanjigad, M. Rampur, Narla and Kesinga police stations under Kesinga subdivision have welcomed S. Sushri to the office. S. Sushri had secured 151 rank in the civil service examinations. She is from Kollam city of Kerala. Retired CRPF officer Sunil Kumar is a father. In a bizarre incident, a youth set the Rengali Tehsil office in this district on fire, shot the act and uploaded it on social media platforms Friday. However, the police managed to trace the youth and detain him for interrogation. The youth has been identified as Rajiv Kishan. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has constituted 3 key committees of the party to formulate its strategy on issues related to economy, national security and foreign affairs, all headed by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The Economic Affairs Committee will have P. Chidambaram, Digvijay Singh, Mallikarjun Kharge as members and Jairam Ramesh as convener. India's COVID-19 caseload surpassed the 90 lakh mark Friday with 45,882 new cases, the Union Health Ministry said. The Union Health Ministry on its website also stated that the recoveries surged to 84.28 lakh. With the new recoveries, the national recovery rate has gone up to 93.6%. The total number of coronavirus cases mounted to 90,04,365. The death toll due to the disease climbed to 1,32,162, with 584 people dying in a span of 24 hours in India. However, in spite of the new deaths, the COVID-19 case fatality rate CFR has further declined to 1.46%, the Health Ministry said. Currently, there are 4,43,794 active cases of coronavirus infections in India, which comprises 4.92% of the total caseload, the data stated. That's all for today. Keep watching Orissa Post Live for all latest updates.